morning, guys. You can see time is around 11:11. What I'm expecting is that the market might definitely reverse from here. You can see the market mitigating this fair value gap, and you can see the market is overextended towards the upside. And I have taken trades over here. This is my entry, and this is what I exited my position. Again, I entered here. One position I've entered here also, guys. So this was my trade entry. I will be explaining this trade later on. And what you can see is that the market here mitigated this fair value gap, failed to make a lower low. Instead, the market broke structure towards the upside. And after this immediate break of structure, what we are expecting is that the price closing below this level, where the market sweeping this high and trying to break towards this level. But there is an order block level here as well. So you can expect the market to reject price from this order block levels and further move towards the upside. But in case if the market aggressively breaks towards the downside, there is a very good chance the market might continue very bullish guys on the put side. So let's look into premium charts in Bank Nifty and see how the market here behaves. You can see there is an RSI divergence over here, guys. You can see the market here made a swing low and lower low, and further the market made another lower low here, but here the market made a higher low. There is a divergence over here, and even this divergence over here, the swing high and this swing high also, there is a divergence in the spot chart as well in Bank Nifty, clearly indicating bearishness, and you can expect some kind of reversal from here, guys. So there's a very good opportunity for you to take long position here, expecting the market to continue very bullish, guys. So short position in the spot chart. So if you consider this swing momentum over here, where the market came and mitigated this fair value gap. So the market didn't break any structure over here, guys. But what we can see here is that market broke this structure towards the downside. So you can consider this as a stock formation over here, where the market consolidated and broke towards the downside. And if you consider this swing momentum, the common point written this to the common point written this, let's mark out the optimum trade entry over here, where we could expect the market to reverse. So this is one zone over here, guys. This level over here, or the 50 levels over here, or the fair value gap, guys. You can see there is a fair value gap here, or the order block level. Let's consider the order block level, guys. So this is the last up candle. So you can expect the price to reject price from there and continue further bearishness, nice. You can see rejection of price from these levels and the market closing below this level, guys. You can see this kind of rejection clearly indicating bearishness. And you can see this is the order block level where the market even broke towards the upside and closes above that level. But what I'm expecting is that if you look into premium charts, guys, you can see the market trying to take support from these levels. There is a very good chance the market might take long position here, guys, and keeping your stop loss just below that candle and targeting it all the way towards the upside. So let's look it here, guys. And if you try to plot the anchor wave up level here of this swing high structure, you can expect some sort of rejection over here. And you can see this is one order block level here, the 1 minute order block. And if you consider this swing high to this swing over here, you can see the optimum trade entry is here, guys. Actually, this is the optimum trade entry where you could enter short position. So what you can do is to take short position here, keeping your stop loss just above that candle. And for target levels, guys, if you try to plot the fib extinction levels, the count point in this to the count point in this. So what we are targeting is to target it all the way to 2.6 level over here. So this is what we are targeting. So I have taken long position also, guys. Throughout the day, I have taken long position. You can see this is my trade analysis. And here the market mitigated this fair value gap and took support from this 200 moving average and tried to move higher. This was my first entry and I've added on to my position here, and this was my exit position. Why I have exited here is because if you consider this swing momentum now, guys, where the market here behaved, let me plot it, where the market actually broke structure towards the upside. So if you consider this momentum towards the upside, and if you try to plot the fib extinction levels, the common point in this to the common point in this to the common point in this. So it's not that, guys, what I'm planning to take. This was the 100% move. So if you consider this swing momentum over here, the low of this candle to the high of this candle, or you can consider this momentum, guys, the low of this candle to high of this candle, where the price took support from the 0.38 level, where I need to mark it, guys, the 0.38 level. And in case if I try to plot the fib extension levels, the common point within this, to the common point within this, to the common point within this. Yeah, I hope you're understanding the 1.68 level, where this 1.68 level has come, my target levels over there. So this 100% is for this swing over here, guys. This structure over here. So this 100% is this swing over here. If you consider this order block level, the common point within this, to the common point within this, to the common point in this, you can see this is the 100% move where you could have exited your position. And after this, this is the 1.68 level as well. You can see both are in confluence, guys. The 1.68 level here and the 1.68 level here as well. I hope you're understanding the 1.68 level where exactly this comes from, guys. In case if you might have entered here also, you could have entered it here and targeted. But definitely I'm looking long, guys. You can easily enter long position here, keeping your stop loss just below that candle itself. So you can see the market trying to head higher, but definitely the market would face rejection over here and continue further selling towards the downside. So let's take this out and even this out, guys. So our target levels has been done. This is our optimum trade entry, and there is a fair value gap over here. So you can expect the market to mitigate this fair value gap also. So this is the fair value gap. So you can keep your stop loss just above this order block level, guys. This is our optimum trade entry. So there is a high chance the market might mitigate this fair value gap also. But in case if the market sentiment is bearish, there is a very good chance the market might reject from optimum trade entry and continue further selling towards the downside. So I hope you're understanding. There is a lot of confluence here for you to take short position. So better take your short trades here, guys, even in Bank Nifty as well as in Sensex also. In Sensex, as there is a premium decay, you can expect the market to come all the way to this demand zone over here. And you can expect further momentum towards the upside. So long position here, keeping your stop loss just below that candle and targeting all the way towards from 72. I am expecting a 5x return, guys. And 5s are 35. So I am expecting the market to go to 350, I guess. So this is my level, guys. This is not 1x move, 100x move. This is 500x momentum. What I'm telling you before the market has happened. You can see, guys, time is around 11:20. I am exactly telling you how you can capture not just 100% momentum by investing 1 lakh, you get 5 lakhs, guys. If you take this position, and I'm telling you, guys, you can easily take short position and you can expect market to come all the way to these levels towards the downside, or you can target the at least you're like a minimum of 2x, guys. If it is trading at 77, you can expect minimum of 140 also. So minimum 2x, and in case if the market sentiment will aggressively sell towards the downside, we can expect a very good profit of around 5x of your capital. So just take a short position here, guys, keeping your stop loss just above that candle. You can see our stop loss has been has been placed over here, and we are expecting the market to reverse from here from 300 to what I'm expecting is a 100 points, guys, in Bank Nifty. So it's looking to 200 points, guys. So 200 points in Bank Nifty momentum towards the upside is what I'm expecting. So we can expect a huge bearish momentum towards the downside. Even though the market sentiment is not as bearish compared here, guys, but definitely the market would go towards the downside and aggressively sell towards the downside. As you can see, the 1 minute order block over here, fair value gap, the optimum trade entry, all aligning. There is a very less chance for the market to break all these levels above this and continue further bullish. So it's not happening, guys. You can see the market swept this high and broke towards the downside. And this is not a strong demand zone, but definitely you can expect some kind of rejection. And you can see this kind of liquidity over here. This is a triangle form liquidity. And there is a very good chance the market might grab those liquidity over here and continue further selling towards the downside. So you can see, you can expect some kind of rejection candles from fair value gaps or the optimum trade entry. You can see, guys, the fair value gap over here has been mitigated. This is what I was expecting the market to mitigate this fair value gap. So once the fair value gap has mitigated, so what we can see is the market closing above this level. So the market again might start the bullish candle over here, reject price from these levels and continue very bearish. So as of now, the market has to mitigate this high highs and close below this range. So let's try to wait and see how the market behaves. In case if the market sentiment is bearish, the market will definitely break towards the downside and continue very aggressively towards the downside, guys. Or in case market again sweeps this high over here and continue bearish as well. Our fair value gap has been mitigated. and our order block has not yet been mitigated, guys. So you can expect either the order block also to get mitigated and continue further selling. And this was our optimum trade entry where the market failed to make a lower low. Or if you consider this swing momentum towards the upside, so if you consider the low of this candle to high of this candle, you can see the market here rejecting price from here and continuing bearish. You can see, guys, this kind of candle over here, a huge bearish candle over here, previously showing bullish momentum following another bearish candle over here. And this is what I'm telling you guys to take long position at this moment itself. So you can take your long position at around 90. Usually I told you to take at 70, guys, but now to add on to your trade, you can take your positions at 90 as well, guys. So what you can see, you can take your trades at 90 as well. So you can see this kind of huge bearish candle breaking this low also. You see clear break of structure towards the downside. And you can expect further continuation of price towards the downside, guys. So you can see this momentum. I told you to take at 90. The market is at trading at 127. You can expect huge momentum, guys, towards the upside. So just try to hold on to your trade, guys, which I have marked you to take your position here. So you can expect a huge momentum towards the upside in a put premium and very aggressively selling towards the downside, guys. So in case if you try to plot the fib extinction levels over here, the common point between this to the common point between this to the common point between this. So the 1.68 level target, the 2.6 level over here, or what we can expect is the market mitigating this fair value gaps over here. As you can see, there is a huge fair value gap over here. So you can expect the market to come and mitigate this fair value gap. So what I'm expecting is even to target even this low over here, or let's consider the 4.26 level, guys. I hope you're understanding. This is the 4.26. So you can expect the market to come all the way to this low as well. I'm posting you on live trade analysis, guys. I have taken even long trades here, but since the market was not very aggressively selling towards the upside, buying showing aggressive momentum, there was a very long video case. It was around 2 to 3 hours, so I wanted to post you a short video, so in around 30 minutes. But this was around more than 2 hours, guys. So it takes a lot of time for me to edit these trades since the market was very much. There was so much of complication here, but definitely based upon risk to reward ratio is what I have taken. My stop loss just below that candle. Here also the stop loss below that candle itself, and my target levels I have marked it exactly before the market moved this to this level, guys. This is where I have marked my levels. So you can see, guys, in Nifty 50, you can see from 70 the market went all the way to 140. 100% target has been done. Though the 100% target has been done, so what I'm expecting is another 100% target, guys. So I'm expecting market to further sell towards the downside. So from in if you look into Bank Nifty, guys, you can see here the market here from 300 to 370. A very good momentum, guys. A very good momentum. And why I have plotted use the RSI divergence over here, which I mentioned to you previously, clearly indicating bearishness, and you can just hold on to your trade, guys, and not to exit because there is no proper demand over here. So you can expect market to come all the way to these levels, the fair value gaps over here. You can just try your stop loss, or you can just hold on to your position. You can see the market after this kind of huge bearish candle formed another bearish candle, bearish engulfing pattern over here. But don't try to exit, guys. You can actually enter a long position here, keeping your stop loss just below that candle, and again targeting towards the upside. So even though the market here showed some kind of bearish candle over here, so I'm asking you to enter another long position here, keeping your stop loss just below that candle and targeting it towards the upside. So you can expect another 120 points momentum towards the upside. So you can, if you take it, you can expect another 120 to 140 points, guys. So definitely try to hold on to your trades, and you can expect a very good aggressive momentum towards the downside, guys. Just try to hold on to your trade, and you can see initially I've told you to take at 70, and the market is trading at around 135 now. Again, I asked you to take at around 115. So keeping your stop loss just below this 21 moving average, you can expect a huge momentum, guys. I'm telling you, a very good momentum towards the upside. And you can see the market rejecting price from 200 moving average. Definitely, you can expect this premium to go zero, and 79,700. If 79,700 levels will be, the market will not retrace to these levels, guys. You can expect bullish momentum only. So you can definitely expect market to aggressively sell towards the downside, guys. So just try to hold on to your trade and target it on the level to 4.26 level. can see now stop loss. You can see the momentum over here in Bank Nifty, guys. Bank Nifty though is showing one directional momentum. So let's look into Bank Nifty. So this is where which I actually posted my target levels, which I have already mentioned to you. This was my target levels. So let's not consider this and take this daily wrap level out. You can see guys this aggressive selling. Even in Bank Nifty also, I have told you to take long position here, expecting the market to come all the way to these levels. But let's look into Nifty 50, guys, since here Nifty 50 is very bearish. And you can see, guys, the market here failing to make an higher high, even though the market showed aggressive momentum towards the downside. So what you can do is to trial your stop loss to break even, guys. Since in case of the market aggressively breaks towards the downside, or you can expect some kind of reversal also in case of the market taking support from this 200 moving average. But here the market is not that strong, guys. Since there is a fair value gap here, you can expect market breaking this 200 moving average also. So I expect you to hold on to your position, guys. Just try to hold on to your position and break even, or below this 21 moving average is what I'm expecting you to trade. I expected huge premium, guys, but the market is not moving. But in Bank Nifty, the market is very much moving. So you can see this kind of momentum, guys. And if you look into premium charts over here, you can see a 100 points, I guess, guys. Exactly, I marked it here. 140 points in momentum towards the upside, guys. From all the way to 310 to 430, you can see the momentum towards the upside, clearly indicating market sentiment is very bearish. You can see here the market sweeping this low and closing failed to close above this range, guys. So definitely the market would come and sweep this low also. So you can expect the market to form another bearish candle, guys, since the market failed to close between these ranges. So even though the market is trying to retrace, our stop loss has been hit. But let's not consider this was just for a quick scalp, guys. From 72 to 163, guys. 100 points in momentum, which where I captured you. I told you to take position here itself. And I told you to add your position at around 90. You can see the market is trying to move higher. But here, you could have scalped here also, guys. See, you can see I told you to take here. So you could have made another 40 points in profit also. The market is failing to close above this 100 moving average, clearly signifying some sort of bearishness, guys. So you can expect price taking support from these levels and continuing further bullish momentum. So let's try to plot the fib extinction levels and see in case if the market is showing any support over here. Ground point in this. So this is the 1.68 level, and the market came all the way to 2.6 level as well. So whether you have to exit here or whether you need to hold on to your position, it's very complicated, guys. So what we can do is, since in case if you are seeing rejection of price on this 200 moving average, it's better to exit, guys. And here you can see the market failing to close above the 100 moving average. So you can exit your position and you could have made a decent profit, guys. You can see from 70 to 160, 100% in momentum. A very good trade setup where you could have scalped, guys. Just a 2 to 3 minute trade. You, you could have made 100x of your capital. Let me see, guys. Let me see how we can work on. You can see price taking support from 21 moving average. There is a very good chance the market might continue bullish on the put side and bearish here also. So for this to consider retracement levels, guys, if you consider the common point between this to the common point between this, you can see the market didn't retrace this 0.38 level. So you can consider this whole momentum as one swing over here. So definitely the market would continue and even break this low as well. So we're just trying to hold on to our trade, guys. Better to hold on. You can expect the market to come and mitigate this fair value gap. So since the fair value gaps up here, there is a very much imbalance over here. So you can expect the market to, you can see, guys, the market here taking support from 21 moving average. You could have entered here itself. And from 108, the market is moving to 159. I hope you're understanding, guys, what I'm saying. Breaking this level high also from 160, from 70 to 168, guys. I have told you the 2.6 level target has been hit. And I am expecting the market to reach all the way to this fair value gaps over here. And here the market breaking this 200 moving average towards the upside. But here this is very important, guys. Once if this fair value gap has been mitigated, I would be exiting my short position. You can see this candle over here, guys, which broke the VWAP level, the 9 as well as the 21 moving average towards the downside, clearly indicating bearishness. So you could have even entered your position here, keeping your stop loss just below above that candle itself. So what I'm targeting is this fair value gap over here, or you can consider this 5 minute zone as well. So 5 minute zone also can act as some sort of support here, guys. So somewhere midway between these levels is what I'm expecting. The line over here is where I'm expecting, or in case the market aggressively shows another bearish candle over here, a huge candle breaking this level also. So we can target it all the way to 4.26 level also here. You can see this is the 4.26 level where you can expect the market to come, guys. You can see the momentum over here. 100 points in momentum, guys, from 72 to the market went all the way to 179, almost 1.5% of your capital. I'm still holding on to my position, guys. You can expect the market to continue further bearish, or you can trial your stop losses. In case if you are entered here, guys, you can see the market again rejecting price from this 200 moving average. It's better to exit, guys. I think I hope you're understanding, guys. What I've expected is that the market should show a very good momentum, but definitely the market showed some kind of momentum, guys, doing doubling your capital. You can just hold on, guys, in case if you are not convinced. You can expect rejection of price from this 200 moving average and continue further selling as well. You can see the price closed below this 200 moving average. You can expect a bearishness over here as well. So as of price action, guys, I'm just holding on position, but here the premiums are decaying too much. So you should be very cautious about the premium decay. Since a one bullish candle can wipe out everything over here, all these profits can be wiped out. You can see from 100 to 180, guys. You can see it's not a less momentum, guys. It's a huge momentum towards the upside. So what you can see here in this shorter time frames, guys, you can see the market clearly broke structure towards the downside. This is a clear break of structure, and this is the order block level, the last up candle. So if you consider this swing momentum over here, the common point between this to the common point between this, you can see the market here reaching all the way to this fair value gap. So you can expect rejection of price from these levels or continuation of price towards the downside as well. But as of now, you could have exited your position, guys, because you could have seen here what happened here is that the market came from some sort of rejection from this 200 moving average, the blue color line. Again, retraced, tried to break, but failed to break out, guys. So it's better to exit, guys. So I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Even though the market might come and mitigate this fair value gap, guys, it's a very powerful risk to reward ratio, guys. But what we are here to is to capture momentums over here. So what I want to help you is just to enter trades based upon risk to reward ratio and how you could become very profitable with minimum risk. So you can see this momentum with a minimum risk, just a 5 minutes, guys. Trade where I could have taken here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could have doubled your capital over here. I think you're understanding, guys, what I'm saying. In case if you find my videos helpful, please like, share, and comment. Share with your friends and family. And I would be regularly uploading live trade analysis also, guys. I could have uploaded even this trade analysis for you, but this was very, very long video, guys. So it was very difficult for me to edit. I tried to edit these videos because it was short bits over here, but I felt lazy to edit this video. So I thought of capturing this momentum towards the downside, and this would be aggressive selling. So that's it, guys. I hope you got it. I just recorded this video and it would be a very short video, like within 10 minutes. So it would be easy for viewers to watch also. So please like, share, and comment, guys. Thank you.